Key findings from the research article about non-alcoholic fatty liver disease or NAFLD and its relationship with gut microbiota. Quick take-home message is, consider prebiotics and probiotics. You can see them in the yogurt section of the grocery store. Also, add more leafy greens which promote good bacteria. These bacteria help with digestion, keep you healthy, and can influence your overall well-being. This research found that people with NAFLD had less diversity in their gut bacteria compared to healthy people. Gut microbiota or gut bacteria is also a trigger for metabolic inflammation in obesity and type 2 diabetes. The bacteria type Lactobacillus has shown a positive association with type 2 diabetes. But, some species show anti-inflammatory properties. This is according to an article published in the Lancet magazine. Link to the research is on the description page of video. NAFLD has many risk factors. The main one is metabolic syndrome, which is not considered related to the gut bacteria or microbiota. But whether metabolic syndrome starts with bad gut bacteria is a question researchers need to answer. This video is based on several research articles published in PubMed. They illustrate there are many mechanisms related to imbalance in the gut microbial community that is associated with disease, that contribute to the formation and development of NAFLD. Lifestyle modification is now the basis of the primary therapy for NAFLD, but mitigation of bad gut bacteria of the gastrointestinal microbiota should be considered as a target for further research on more comprehensive NAFLD therapies. The research identifies 5 key factors about NAFLD. They are: Number 1. Lower gut microbiota diversity in NAFLD. Patients with NAFLD, a liver condition not caused by alcohol, have fewer types of bacteria in their gut compared to healthy individuals. Disclaimer: consult your healthcare professional before making any changes to your medication or lifestyle. Number 2. Higher abundance of certain bacteria in NAFLD. In patients with NAFLD, there is an increase in specific groups of bacteria. Particularly, the phyla proteobacteria and fusobacteria are more common in these patients than in healthy subjects. Certain families of bacteria are more abundant in NAFLD patients. That includes Lactobacillus, Enterobacteriaceae, Erysipelotrichaceae, and Streptococcaceae. Additionally, some specific genera like Escherichia shigella, Lactobacillus incertae cetus, and Blockscher are more common in those with NAFLD. Wait, there is more, but do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe, down below. Number 3. Lower abundance of other bacteria in NAFLD. In contrast, the gut of NAFLD patients contains fewer of some bacteria. The genus Prevotella, which is typically found in a healthy gut, is significantly reduced in NAFLD patients compared to healthy individuals. The phylum Bacteroidetes and families like Prevotellaceae and Ruminococcaceae are also less abundant in NAFLD patients. Number 4. Differences between NAFLD and non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH. NASH is a more severe form of NAFLD involving liver inflammation. In patients with NASH, there is a higher presence of the genus Blockscher and the family Lactobacillus compared to those without NASH. Number 5. Differences in fibrosis severity. Fibrosis is the scarring of the liver, and its severity is measured in stages. Patients with significant fibrosis, more advanced scarring, have a greater amount of the genus Escherichia_Shigella and the family Enterobacteriaceae compared to those with mild or no fibrosis. Overall, these findings suggest that there are notable differences in the types and abundance of gut bacteria between people with NAFLD and healthy individuals. This research implies that gut microbiota may play a role in the progression and severity of NAFLD and its related conditions like NASH and fibrosis. What bacteria has increased presence in people with NAFLD? Proteobacteria and fusobacteria. These guys seem to be more abundant in people with NAFLD. While more research is needed, they might be contributing to the disease. Specific families and genera, some families like Lactobacillus and Enterobacteriaceae, and genera like Blockscher and Escherichia_Shigella, were also more abundant in NAFLD. These might be playing a role, especially Blockscher, which increased with worse liver condition, NASH. Decreased bacteria in NAFLD. Prevotella, a type of bacteria, was much lower in people with NAFLD. This suggests that having fewer of these good guys might be bad for adults with NAFLD. This research shows an association between gut bacteria and NAFLD, but it doesn't necessarily prove that one causes the other. More studies are needed. The bacteria mentioned are just a few examples. There are many others in the gut, and they all interact with each other. Having a healthy and diverse gut microbiome is important for overall health. What can we do? While we can't directly control all our gut bacteria, we can support a healthy gut by eating a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Getting enough fiber. Managing stress. Consider prebiotics and probiotics. You can see them in the yogurt section of the grocery store. Also, add more leafy greens which promote good bacteria. Do not forget to click the like button and subscribe. Up above you see a video related to fatty liver and a video about general health. Thanks very much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.